Container gardening, organic gardening, polyculture gardening, all in one for a clean and healthy environment. Container gardening. It saves space, helps control pests and overcome soil issues, which enable a homegrown fresh produce in a small space. It is smaller and manageable. It also reduces carbon footprints by reducing carbon emissions during transport. It reduces the trash by reusing empty bottles of mineral water and soft drinks. Plastic is an excellent material for pots because it's cost-effective. It's cheap, strong while flexible, and offers good water drainage. Organic gardening. In our garden, we use organic fertilizers and organic insect repellents. It reduces non-renewable energy use, decreasing agrochemical needs. It contributes mitigating the greenhouse effect and global warming through its ability to sequester carbon in the soil. It helps prevent a loss of topsoil, toxic runoff, water pollution, soil contamination, soil poisoning, death of insects and other beneficial soil organisms, as well as eliminating pesticides, herbicides, fungicide residues on food from synthetic fertilizers. We can harvest the safest and healthiest vegetables and fruits for our family. Polyculture gardening. It increases biodiversity, it enhances soil health, it eliminates fossil fuel fertilizers and pesticides, it promotes clean water runoff, it gives greater productivity because it can generate more and variety of harvests, and also economic profitability and many benefits. Crops are less susceptible to diseases and pests since they are grown near each other. It gives better nutrient utilization. Nutrients not utilized by one crop will be beneficial to another crop in crop rotation.